enduring quest for providing quality education to aspirants of higher professional studies by visionary educationist Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad, who established Maharashtra Institute of Technology in 1983 and made a niche position in the highly competitive field of engineering education. It is a matter of great pride that the MIT Group is rapidly growing into 4 universities and 72 institutions with more than 8,000 teaching and non-teaching personnel, catering to the educational needs of more than 65,000 students in universities across the country. MIT WPU is the first bold attempt to create a new generation of highly impactful students with a vision of inclusion and innovation. Development of strong professional values, work ethic, and mutual respect for diversity of gender, religion, color, caste, and creed will be given utmost priority through specially designed parts of every course. MIT WPU is pioneering a multidimensional scholastic inputs method that provides a holistic, meaningful, and higher education for peace. With an inspiring intent to be the best in the world, since the birth of MIT, it has presented the world with scientists, researchers, scholars, philosophers, technocrats, and successful entrepreneurs. The foundation of Mayer's MIT Group of Institutions rests firmly on the philosophy exposed by Swami Vivekananda, who said, "The union of science and religion alone will bring peace to mankind."
Good evening, everyone. I'm your host for the evening, Vedant Rawal. Sports have the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire and unite people in a way that nothing else does. Sports have no barrier. It believes in unity in diversity. Our commitment at MIT WPU is nation building through sports. These words are a great source of inspiration to the students of MIT WPU institutions. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcoming everyone whose blessings, love, and inspiration will definitely make this function a great success. As tradition demands, and is a matter of great pride for us MITians, that we start every morning our day's work in our campus at MIT by the World Peace Prayer.
Om Namo Jiyadya Veda Pratipadya Jaya Jaya Swasamvedya Atmarupa.
Good evening to all the dignitaries and everyone present here. Over the years, our national level inter-engineering sports meet, MIT WPU Summit, has been blooming. The 15th edition of the MIT WPU Summit has been a feather on the cap. We would like to applaud and appreciate the entire Summit team's fruitful efforts. Personally speaking, Summit has been a great experience and close to our heart as we have been working for it since our first year. As this symposium is by the students and for the students, neither of them disappointed us. The team has been working tirelessly for months to make Summit 2021 a grand success. Over the years, the opening ceremony witnessed some graceful Indian athletes and Olympic medalists who fill Indians with pride, such as Yogeshwar Dutt, Mary Kom, Vijendra Singh, Irfan Pathan, and the list goes on. The volunteer squad was always present to the rescue. For a grandeur event like this, the wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for the details, which wouldn't have been possible without our registration team. Our sponsorship team is utterly responsible to make our symposium a financial success. Our highly motivated designing team and articulate heads made our event look incredibly desirable. Our group of dedicated marketing enthusiasts made Summit nationally acclaimed. Last but not the least, we have been fortunate enough to be backed by our respected teachers who guided us throughout the entire process. Thank you everyone for making the 15th edition of our national level inter-engineering sports meet a grand success. Thank you so much.
MIT WPU has been organizing this national level inter-engineering summit event for the past 15 years, and this year marks the 15th edition of the same. And I Rohit Vijay Patil. I'm here to present the Scholastic Report of MIT WPU Summit 2021. Summit 21, a national level inter-engineering sports meet, was held by MIT World Peace University Pune from 18 December to 22nd December 2021. This meet, celebrating its 15th year, was organized solely by MIT WPU, featured 16 disciplines of sports. The meet was inaugurated by Honorable Ms. Poonam Raut, chief guest, who is a renowned cricketer, followed by recipients of Krida Maharshi Puraskar 2021, Honorable Shri Sharad Anna Chauhan, renowned kabaddi player, coach and a bodybuilder, and followed by Krida Acharya Puraskar winner, Honorable Shri Umesh Patwal, who is a renowned Indian cricket coach. With COVID threat looming consistently over the event, we were still able to rack up registration numbers. Over 44 colleges participated in MIT WPU Summit 21 with 163 outstanding teams from major cities. Around 1,700 participants actively participated in the event. We are glad to inform that Summit 21 marks the first year of MIT WPU Sports entering into the $2.3 billion industry of esports. The majority of events were played at MIT WPU Kothurud, followed by MIT ADT, Loni and Balewadi Sports Complex. The grandeur of this event is based on the spirit of sportsmanship and the very sense of inclusivity that sports creates in players, spectators and everyone alike. We at MIT WPU Summit will forever strive to bring the same vigor and the same spirit of sportsmanship to you. Thank you so much.
I would now like to call upon our Honorable Founder and Executive President of MIT WPU, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, and all the dignitaries to felicitate our chief guest, Shri Chandrakant Borde. Is an Arjuna awardee and a former cricketer who was a member of the Indian team between 1958 and 1970. He started out in the late 50s as India's most promising young batsman. In the early 60s, he was one of the country's leading all-rounders, also referred to as India's tenacious all-rounder. He scored 1,604 first-class runs in 1964-65, which was an Indian record for a season. Since his debut in 1958, Sir has been a prolific all-rounder in the game of cricket. He was also awarded the highest civilian honours of India, the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Following his retirement, Sir became a cricket administrator, serving as the chairman of national selectors.
Kindly give a round of applause for our chief guest of the evening, Shri Chandrakant Borde. I would now like to call upon Honorable Founder and Executive President of MIT, Professor Rahul Karad sir, and all the dignitaries to felicitate our guest of honor, Shri Rohit Patel sir. Honorable Rohit Patel sir is a prolific wrestler who has had the opportunity to play against numerous eminent and talented players in his successful career. He was honored with many awards from a very young age of 4 years. He won various titles including the Hind Kesari, the Madhya Bharat Kesari and many more. He has participated in international competitions like the Asian Wrestling Championship, the World Wrestling Championship and the Commonwealth Wrestling Championship. He has been an outstanding player and got the silver medal in the Commonwealth Games held at Johannesburg, South Africa in 2013. Thank you for gracing us this evening. I request our Vice Chancellor, R.M. Chitnis sir, to kindly address the audience.
Namaskar and good evening to all of you. To this most awaited prize distribution ceremony of MIT Summit. On behalf of our beloved founder president, Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, our executive president, and a great sports enthusiast, as well as our supporter, Shri Rahul Karad sir, all trustees of MIT, all fellow colleagues of MIT World Peace University. On behalf of all of you, I welcome all the participants for this prize distribution ceremony. First of all, may I welcome today's chief guest, Padma Bhushan Sri Chandrakant Borde sir, popularly known as Chandu Borde, who needs no introduction because every cricket lover in the world knows him and almost every Indian cricket lover feels that he is our Chandu Borde. A warm welcome to you, sir. Further, may I welcome Honorable Hind Kesari Rohit Patel ji, who is successful master of wrestling and the most popular and the very own sport of our country, India, Bharat. Friends, during last 4 days, we witnessed a spectacular show of individual skills as well as team performances in the different sports events. And although every player does and gives his or her best to win the competition, the sports person in every player plays to enjoy the game for its spirit and enthusiasm. As mentioned in the opening ceremony of the summit on the last Friday, the World Summit denotes coming together of like-minded people, and it also means coming together and reaching at the top. That's the meaning of summit. Friends, the main theme of Summit 2021 is Sports for Peace, which goes so well with the founding principles of MIT World Peace University and MIT MIRES. And it bonds so well with the teaching and preaching of our beloved founder, President Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, and also Executive President Rahul Karad sir. So friends, congratulations to all of you who were part of this prestigious Summit Sports 2021. And last but not the least, very important statement is every one of you is a winner today. You might not have won the title of particular sports where you participated, but you are winner of our hearts. You are winner of sports culture and spirit, and you are winner of peace. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Honorable Borde sir, who is also known as Chandu Borde, is an Arjuna awardee and a former cricketer who was the member of the Indian team between 1958 and 1970. He started out in the late 50s as India's most promising young batsman. In the early 60s, he was one of country's leading all-rounders, also referred to as India's tenacious all-rounder. He scored 1604 first-class runs in 1964-65, which was an Indian record for a season. Since his debut in 1958 versus West Indies, Sir has a prolific all-rounder in the game of cricket. He was also awarded the highest civilian honors of India, the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Following his achievements, Sir became a cricket administrator, serving as the chairman of national selectors. Our second guest of honor, Mr. Rohit Patel Bishnoi. He has numerous eminent and acquainted achievements, which include various titles like Hind Kesari, the Madhya Bharat Kesari, and many more. He has participated in International Wrestling Championships, World Wrestling Championship, Commonwealth Wrestling Championship. His years of practice, dedication, and discipline brought him the silver medal at Commonwealth Games, held at Johannesburg, South Africa in 2013, which in itself is an outstanding achievement. I request all the present members of audience to give a huge round of applause for our chief guest and guest of honor. I request our guest of honor, Honorable Shri Rohit Patel sir, to please address the audience.
सभी को नमस्कार जी, गुड इवनिंग। मंच पर बैठे डॉक्टर श्री विश्वनाथ कराड़ सर, श्री राहुल कराड़ सर, श्री चंदू बोर्डे सर, विलास कथुरे सर, श्री पीजी धनवरे सर, श्री निखिल वनवे सर, आप सभी ने मुझे इस ज्ञान के मंदिर में बुला के जो सम्मान दिया है उसके लिए मैं आप सभी का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। वैसे जब मैं खेलने जाता था तो बहुत डर लगता था मुझे बाहर कि मैदान में जाऊँगा कैसे खेलूँगा, पर जब पब्लिक के बीच में जाता था तो बहुत अच्छा खेलता था मैं, बिल्कुल डर चला जाता था मेरा। यहाँ पे आके आप लोगों के बीच में बोलना मतलब अभी मेरा डर नहीं गया है, क्योंकि ये मेरी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है। खेल जीवन में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं हमारे गुरु, और सबसे बड़ा गुरु होते हैं हम खुद के। जब तक हम खुद के गुरु नहीं बनेंगे तब तक हम हमारे लिए गुरु नहीं चुन सकते। सबसे पहले हमें खुद का गुरु बनना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद में हमें गुरु भी मिलेंगे और गुरुओं का मार्गदर्शन भी मिलेगा, और अपने गुरु को 100% देना होगा आपको, तभी गुरु आपको 100% दे पाएंगे। एक और बात इसके बाद निर्भर करती है हमारी नीयत पे। हमारी नीयत कैसी है उसी के ऊपर हमारी सफलता निर्धारित होती है, तो अपनी नीयत हमेशा अच्छी रखें। एक और बात, अहंकार। हम जहाँ भी पहुँचते हैं वो सब ईश्वर की कृपा होती है, जो भी ऊपर शक्ति है उसके कारण हम बनते हैं जो भी हमारे जीवन में बनते हैं। इसलिए हमें कभी भी हम जो कुछ भी हैं वो होने का अहंकार नहीं होना चाहिए। बस यही कहना चाहूँगा जी मैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Thank you, Rohit Patel, sir. I would now like to call upon our chief guest for the evening, Chandrakant Borde, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I'm indeed very, very happy to be here. Dr. Karad Sahib, Commander, I call Rahul Commander now. He is the boss. Vice Chancellor, MIT, all the winners and dignitaries on the dais. First of all, let me tell you, I am indeed very, very happy to be here. Because this college is a sort of a part of me. Because I've been here for a number of years. And long time back, my son passed out from this college. Therefore, I got a good association with MIT, and I'm also sometimes come and attend some meetings also here. Friends, this is the second innings, and I have been given 5 minutes. Now, in old days, it used to take 10 minutes for us to settle down. And in now 5 minutes, I have to deliver my thinking. Let me tell you, I am not a one-day cricketer. 2020, I am not a 2020 cricketer. But let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, those who won the events you have won, I congratulate you. And let me tell you, now the sports has become a part of our life. Because you have to be now very, very fit, and sport is one thing that keeps you fit. And therefore, because of this virus that is going around in the country, one has to be absolutely 100% fit. And you have been now practicing for last, I don't know how many months or a year, I have no idea. But keep it up. This will go a very long way in your life, because a sportsman is a person who loves to perform well and likes to win the medal. And this kind of mentality, you keep it up. And one thing is very, very important, that when you win these tournaments and given by the college, and this will be remembered rest of your life. Because you will remember, oh, when I was in MIT, I won this, so and so. So you will remember MIT also. And this will give a very good, sort of a thinking. When you are 100% fit, that gives you a long, sort of confidence. And that confidence is very important now. And presently, the health has become a priority, one of the priorities, I would say. And I am very happy that you sportsmen are taking interest in the sports also, because now sport has become a career also. You can make a very good career in sports. If you are an athlete or a good sports person, you get a very good jobs also. And not only that, you get very good recognition from the government, and this goes a very long way. Now, present day, I'll tell you, present day cricketers in India are very highly paid. Very highly paid. You will be surprised to know if I'll tell you the figure of mine. When I used to play, I used to get 250 rupees per test match for 5 days. Now, a person gets, for one match, playing Ranji Trophy, not even test cricket, he gets 1.5 lakh. It's the difference. And in test cricket and other things, they get much more. But besides that, there is the staff also. That staff also earns fantastic money. So the sport has become in a job-oriented thing also. And those boys who have done very well in sport, you can be a very good player and earn your living very dignified way and decently also. And I'll tell you, in 5 years' time, a Ranji Trophy ordinary player becomes a crorepati. So, think about this thing. I'm not talking about cricket only, but other sports also. You see this Sindhu, a girl, a badminton player. At the age of 19, she was 50 crores worth. At the age of 19, just 50 crores. It's fantastic. We have yet to get 5 crores. Forget about that. And I'm really very happy that all these sports people who have done well, I wish you all the best. Keep it up. And now, don't forget, it is the need of the hour to keep fit, because this virus, we don't know what is going to happen. And I'm very happy people have realized. In the morning also, I see a lot of people go for a walk in garden and other places. But this is very important, and keep it up, and this will help you in life. I wish you all the best in your future career and in sports also. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I'm very happy for the MIT people. Thank you.
It is indeed the need of the hour to be fit, as Sir said. Thank you, Sir, for guiding us through your words. It was an honor for us to know that your son also studied in this college.
Friends, I sincerely feel that it has been your good fortune that on this occasion of the sports meet, entered engineering sports meet of this MIT World Peace University, you are being blessed on your successful mission of the sports meet, entered engineering sports meet. I'm telling you very honestly and sincerely, when I see one of the great cricketers of India, who is famous for the world, entire world, Honorable Sri Chandu Borde Sahab, who had played for India and went to Pakistan in 1954. सोचने की बात है. Then 58, possibly the first game was played by him, and became known to the entire, not India, but the whole world. He is running 88 years of age. Give him a big clap and welcome him. Borde Sahab. मैं यही कहूँगा, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन यह सौभाग्यशाली दिन है आपके जीवन में. Those who have been the winners or runners up or whatever the position you might have acquired, but the way in which you have come from the various universities and institutions from India, and that too from engineering field, a very talented class of students. This is one of the very important occasion for you friends. And my another friend, young friend, can you stand up please? Jara जोर से तालियां देना भाई इनको. ये मेरी पहचान पहली बार हुई आज, लेकिन सुना इतना है कि हिंद केसरी नहीं, लेकिन कितने किताब मिले. ये लंबी कहानी आपने सुनी, लेकिन मुझे सबसे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि द ग्रेट फर्स्ट हिंद केसरी बोलो, रुस्तुम हिंद बोलो, जो भी सूचना है, इनके ये शिष्य है पटेल साहब. इट्स अ ग्रेट फॉर्चून फॉर हिम and his family that he comes from a farmer's family from Madhya Pradesh. But I feel that sincerely I'm proud of him to be here to bless you. It's an example to emulate. एक आदर्श आंखों के सामने रखने की बात होती है. चंदू बोर्डे साहब के तो मैंने बोला, लेकिन both the guests of today have been a very rare example of the sense of discipline and character. Remember, दो बातें हैं, सेंस ऑफ डिसेंसी, डेकोरम, डिग्निटी एंड डिसिप्लिन, 4 शब्द हैं। ये दोनों आज के मेहमान आपको आशीर्वाद देने, आपको शुभकामनाएं देने, लेकिन थोड़ी सीखने की ज़रूरत है भैया। मैंने पहले उद्घाटन में कहा था, आई रिपीट टू यू अगेन फ्रेंड्स, that this country of ours, Mother India, needs a sense of discipline and character building. आप लोग हैं वो। विनिंग पर्सनालिटी की मैंने बात की, मैं दोहराऊंगा फिर से। This institution has been very greatly, passionately involved in championing the cause of promoting the culture of peace through a sense of discipline. Again, remember friends, and you should all, every one of you, आप कितने अमीर है, कितने पैसे वाले हैं, कितने ज़्यादा क्या करते बातें नहीं पता, लेकिन यू शुड हैव सर्टनली फिजिकल फिटनेस, फिजिकली फिट, इंटेलेक्चुअली शार्प, स्पिरिचुअली एलिवेटेड बात है। इसका ये सिंबल है, ये संस्था। यहाँ से जाते वक्त आपकी माँ बाप की याद करना, अपने कुल की, कुल परंपरा होती है हर एक घर की। तुम्हारी माँ और पिताजी हमेशा ये सोचेंगे कि मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी क्या है, स्टडीज़ में कैसी है, स्पोर्ट्स में कैसी है, फिटनेस कैसी है, कैरेक्टर से कैसी है। इतनी बात ध्यान रखो। मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आज का बड़ा सौभाग्यशाली दिन है कि इस संत ज्ञानेश्वरा हॉल में, जहाँ एक बड़ी परंपरा है, इसमें यहाँ आपका सम्मान होगा, आपको शुभकामना दी जाएगी। तो मैं हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, हमारे धनवे और विलास कतुरे and Rahul Karad, who has been heading this institution today and possibly trying to contribute his share for the well-being of the mankind. आपको फिर से धन्यवाद। मैं शुभकामनाएं देके आपको फिर से शुभेच्छा देता हूँ। सबको धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. From the entire organizing committee, to express our heartfelt gratitude for all the years you have been here and all the guidance and blessings you have provided to this event, we would like to present you a small token of our appreciation. I request on the stage all the organizers of MIT WPU Summit 21 to present our revered founder president Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad sir with our token of appreciation.
This is our organizing committee of the Summit 2021 felicitating our founder president Professor Dr. V.D. Karad.
Raider goes to Sajid Ramzan, and the best defender goes to Shubham Shrikant Jadhav. The runner-up for the Kabaddi tournament was COEP Pune. Chaitanya Patil, Yashraj Shinde, Praful Mogdul, Rohan Devkar. The runner-up team of COEP would receive a cash prize of 12,000 rupees. The winning team is Dr. JJM College. This team would receive a cash prize of rupees 20,000.
Sakshi Singh, Namrata Augad, Isha Gaukar, Muskan Patel, Shweta Iyer. MIT WPU receives a cash prize of 9,000 rupees. The women's volleyball players are Ishwari Gudhate, Anushka Pawar, Avni Chavardol, Tanishka Borse, Ritavi Gaikwad, Indraja Patil, Akanksha Shinde, Sauli Shinde and Pooja Bansode. Best Smasher goes to Avni Chavardol. Kindly give a huge round of applause to our individual award winners.
The runner-up for volleyball men's team was MIT WPU Pune. Afan Baragazi, Aryan Sinha, Aditya Bhilare, Ashay Patil, Sushant Dange, Yash Bafna, Sahil Saraf, Gaurav Arya, Dishang Baria and Nikun Gogle. The winning team for volleyball men's tournament is VIT Pune. Malhar Surangalikar, Angish Bhandwalkar, Siddharth Kakade, Tejas Kachre, Atharva Kharkar, Parth Patle, Chirag Mogli, Vedant Sabde, Swaroop Patil and Mahesh Chavan.
Kindly give VIT Pune a huge round of applause. Best lifter goes to Malhar Surangalikar. Coming to cricket, the runners-up are VIT Pune. Tanmay Gaikwad, Tushar Raikar, Tushar Chavan, Gokul Raj, Parth Folsundar, Dhaval Fukane, Shivam Tandel, Harsh Khandelwal, Siddhant Paikekar, Darshan Vidhate, Harsh Nigudge, Shreyash Pawar, Jay Pargaonkar, Rishabh Jadhav, Yash Murle, Gaurav Patil. Winners of cricket are AISSMS, Sagar Mallipati, Shubham Rajput, Arbaz Nadaf, Sukrut Kulkarni, Hardik Patil, Ronit Patil, Parimal Patil, Vipul Singh, Saurav Shinde, Abhishek Ithape, Shashank Changle, Pratik Thorat, Tejas Khade, Prathamesh Yadav, Pranay Devkar, Roshan Sharma and Kaustubh.
The cash prize for the winning cricket team is 30,000 rupees.
Coming to the individual awards, we have Best Batsman as Tanmay Gaikwad. Best Bowler, Parth Folsundar. Then we have Man of the Tournament as Arbaz Nadaf. And also man of the match for finals, Arbaz Nadaf. Best batsman is Tanmay Gaikwad.
In the baseball men's tournament, the runner-up team is Sanjeevani College of Engineering. Krishna Jadhav, Tejas Wagh and Omkar Sangle. The cash prize for runner-up team is 9,000 rupees. The winning team for baseball men's is our very own MITWPU Pune. Ishan Deshmukh, Siddhant Deshpande, Rahul Jadhav, Shaunak Deshpande, Abhinav, Vikram Deshmukh, Omkar Gholap, Swarad Gat, Aryan Kadam, Archit Jain, Kaustubh, Rohan Vartak, Prabhat and Vaibhav. The winning team gets a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. The award for best player goes to Ishan Deshmukh. And the best batter is Rahul Jadhav. The individual award of best catcher is Deepak Padale. The best pitcher is Shubham Phopse. The best catcher, Deepak Padale.
Coming to the football women's team, the runners-up team is our very own MITWPU. Kalyani Desale, Radhika Dikshit, Sakshi Jain, V. Pushpanjali, Rutumbara Chakor, Fatima Rajkotwala, Zainab Chakkiwala, Divika Suresh, Isha Deshmukh, Shri Harika Mariala, Nehalika Jetwani and Shruti Deshmukh. Our football runners-up team receives a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Coming to the winners of football women, it's Cummins College of Engineering. Sakshi Mahajan, Ishwari Patil, Shrishti Kumari, Tanvi Sagaonkar, Gauri Lonkar, Shubhra Jain, Vedanti Donkar, Gauri Gupta, Sakshi Pise, Yogesh Thakurde, Nikita Pardeshi, Rutuja Dharankar. Uma Savan Bhosle, Alefia Darvasas, Saili Damle. Our winners of the women's football team receive a cash prize of 18,000 rupees. Kindly give a huge round of applause to our winners of the football women's team. Coming to the individual awards, the best player goes to Kalyani Desale. Golden Boot is received by Shubhra Jain. Best goalkeeper goes to Prerna Shinde.
The runner-up team for football men is ISL Hyderabad. Ahmed Khan, Muneeb Mohammed, Sheikh Ahmed Hussain, Mohammad Abdul Muqeed, Mirza Danish Ahmed Beg, Ehsan, Mohammad Misbah Uddin, Talha, Mohammad Riaz Khan, Mohammad Abdul Mustafa, Mohammad Shabir Ali Yasim, Mohammad Abdul Hadi, Abdul Rafagar, and Sail. The runner-up team receives an award of 18,000 rupees.
Kindly give a huge round of applause to our runners-up team of football men. ISL Hyderabad. Winners of the football men's are MIT WPU, Dhiren Bhatija, Sarish Jayale, Aditya Vate, Rishikesh Jadhav, Kalpak Saigle, Abhishek Kuber, Advait Kharat, Yash Kulkarni, Alan John, Sameer Hassani, Niranjan Dhavle, Rakshit Rao, Arya Jatan, Adil Kazi, Yash Tekavde, Pratik Yelpale. Huge round of applause to our MIT WPU's football team. The best player and golden boot goes to Dhiren Bhatija. Best goalkeeper goes to Muneeb Mohammed.
Next tournament is basketball women's, and the runner-up team is our own MIT WPU Pune. Arvind Kaur, Tanushree Bhadane, Siddhi Dingorkar, Shruti Deshmukh, Isha Datalin, Fatima Rajkotwala, Shruti Ahir, Sanika Shankar, and Simran Patil. They receive a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. The winning team for women's basketball is MKSS Cummins. Shruti Bilave, Riddhi Zanwar, Sanjana Date, Ritika Rana, Shravani More, Vaishnavi Mundada, Yashvi Bhatana, Samruddhi Raut, Riya Sawant, Shruti Chavan, and Ananya De.
The basketball women's winning team receives a cash prize of 18,000 rupees. The highest scorer is Riya Sawant. The Best Player award goes to Irwin Kaur. Coming to basketball men, the runners-up team is VIT Pune. Abdul Rahim Sayyed, Harsh Kumar Tomar, Sharvin Tanwade, Rohan Pavra, Omkar Lengre, Heath Parekh, Viraj Khandagale, Raj Patil. Team receives a cash prize of 12,000 rupees. Coming to the winners of basketball men's team, it's MIT WPU Pune. Jayesh Katade, Mohammad Asad Khan, Ishan Deshmukh, Shujan Sonone, Nachiket Dumbre, Tanay Dudal, Atharva Shirode, Aryan Gandhi, Ashish Pal, Amrish Solanki, Atharva Deshmukh, Rishikesh Aute. The basketball men's winners receive a cash prize of 20,000 rupees. Top Scorer Award goes to Harsh Tomar. Top Scorer Award goes to Harsh Tomar. Best Player goes to Jayesh Katade. Kindly give a huge round of applause. Coming to badminton women, the runners-up team is MIT WPU. Isha Deshmukh, Rishika Mishra, Ishita Sinkar.
The winning team of badminton women is MKSS Cummins. Mruga Gokhale, Sakshi Walekar, Riddhi Zanwar and Tanvi Kasande.
Best Player for badminton goes to Isha Deshmukh. Coming to badminton men's, the runners-up team is MIT WPU. Aniket Bangar, Samarth Bargle, Kedar Kelkar, Tejas Chittade, Bharat Talegaonkar. The winning team for badminton men's is VIT Pune. Soham Navandar, Parth Gube, Vedant Gokhale, Vedant Kale, Chirag Bhagat and Shlok Agarwal. Receive a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Coming to the best player in badminton, Aniket Bangar. The lawn tennis runners-up team is MIT WPU. Dwit Shinde, Rohan Deshmukh.
The winning cash prize for the runner-up team is 5,000 rupees. The winning team for lawn tennis men is Thadumal Sani, Vidit Agarwal and Vedant Agarwal. The winning team receives a cash prize of 8,000 rupees.
Kindly give a huge round of applause.
The best player for lawn tennis men is Vedant Agarwal. The runner-up team for table tennis women is AISSMS. Snehal Gore, Siddhi Masre and Shrishti Yadav. They receive a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. The winning team for table tennis women is Shruti Deshmukh, MIT WPU Pune, Prajakta Chaudhary, Manali Gadia. They receive a cash prize of 8,000 rupees. The Best Player Award for table tennis women goes to Shruti Deshmukh.
Coming to table tennis men, the runners-up team is MIT WPU. Siddhant Bhatt, Jayesh Vednekar, Chinmay Shah. The winning team for table tennis is VIT Pune. Kindly be ready to receive your awards. The winning team for table tennis is VIT Pune. Omkar Russell, Harsh Tomar, Mrunmay Paratwar, Parth Gurjar, Anuraj Mahajan. The Best Player Award for Table Tennis Men goes to Omkar Russell. Our runners-up team for chess are MIT WPU, Kushagra Suryavanshi, Sahil Gore, Aditya Bhadakwade, Vedant Patel and Saubhagya Singh. They receive a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. The winning team is VIIT. Namit Chavan, Avishkar Gandhi, Samruddhi Thopte, Om Gogte, Malhar Diwan and Amol Habib. They receive a cash prize of 8,000 rupees. The best player for chess is Namit Chavan. Coming to Karim, the runners-up team is Ramrao Vadik Institute of Technology. Mithilesh Chirvalkar, Prasad Bhoir, Ankit Jha. Let's have a huge round of applause for our runners-up team in Karim. The winners of Karim, MIT WPU. The winners of Karim are MIT WPU, Kunal Patil, Swayam Thakur, Neeraj Rathi, Shubham Kare and Shalvi Thatre. The Best Player Award in Karim goes to Kunal Patil.
The next event, water polo. The runner-up team is MIT SOE, Loni Kalbhor. Nikhil Rana, Anish Gore, Chaitanya Digal, Satyam Phawandi, Ram Agarwal, Mihir, Swaroop Patil, Prasad Naik, Aditya Devanji, Rehan B, Sahil Pacharne. The winning team for water polo tournament is MIT WPU Pune. Varad Kadam, Mrutyunjay Patil, Chirayu Kate, Shri Kumar Kamalpurkar, Amok Chilakwad, Pranav Patil, Varun Pujari, Sukant Hardikar, Akshat Yadav, Archit Jain. best player for water polo's event is Mrutyunjay Patil from MIT Pune.
Coming to the esports events, for Valorant, runners-up team is AIT. Shubham Chenna, Sohar Bhandari, Ayush Ranjan, Atul Verma, Sahil Akhtar, Vivek Kumar and Shubham Bisht. Receive a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. The winning team for Valorant is MIT WPU, Ajinkya Sangle, Harsh Pandey and Arnav Tangeri. The Best Player Award for Valorant goes to Pranit Jadhav.
Now coming to the event of swimming, we have 50-meter freestyle men, and the runner-up is Sukant Hardikar from MIT WPU Pune. And the winner for 50-meter freestyle men is Nachiket Buzurg from Manet. "50-meter freestyle women, runner-up Nilambari Kale from MIT SOE. "50-meter freestyle women's winner Simran Vaishya from MIT WPU Pune. 100-meter freestyle men, runner-up Rohan Chaudhary, PVPIT. 100-meter freestyle men, winner Vidit Agarwal, Thadumal Sahani Engineering College. "100-meter freestyle winner Vidit Agarwal, Thadumal Sahani. "50-meter backstroke men, runner-up Varad Bhujde, VIT. 50-meter backstroke men, winner Nachiket Buzurg, MIT Manet. "50-meter backstroke men winner Nachiket Buzurg from MIT Manet. 50-meter backstroke women, runner-up Nilambari Kale, MIT SOE. 50-meter backstroke women winner Simran Vaishya, MIT WPU Pune. 100-meter backstroke men, runner-up Soham Sheth, PVG COE. 100-meter backstroke men, winner Rohan Chaudhary, PVPIT. "50-meter breaststroke men, runner-up Shri Kumar Kamalapurkar, MIT WPU Pune. 50-meter breaststroke winner Sukant Hardikar, MIT WPU. meter breaststroke women runner-up Gayatrini Neogi, MIT WPU. Winner Amog Chilakwad, MIT WPU Pune. 50 meter breaststroke women winner Simran Vaishya, MIT WPU Pune. 50 meter breaststroke women runner-up Gayatrini Neogi, MIT WPU. 100 meter breaststroke men runner-up Rohan Chaudhary, PVPIT. 100 meter breaststroke winner Amog Chilakwad, MIT WPU Pune. Meter butterfly Nachiket Buzurg, MIT Merit, winner. The runner-up for 50 meter butterfly men is Varad Bhujade from VIT Pune. The runner-up for 4 into 50 meter medley relay and freestyle relay is MIT Manet. This team stands as the runner-up for 4 into 50 meter medley relay and freestyle relay. The winning team for 4 into 50 meter medley relay and 4 into 50 meter freestyle relay men is MIT WPU Pune.
Coming to our next event, we have rowing. In the men's single scull for 2000 meters, the runners-up is Alan John from MIT WPU.
A huge round of applause, everyone.
For men's single scull for 2000 meters is Omkar Kendre from MIT ADT SOE. For men's double scull 2000 meters, the runners-up is Om Thange and Ganesh Jadhav from COEP Pune. For men's double scull 2000 meters, the winner is MIT WPU, Karan Pawar and Rohan Vartak. The men's single scull lightweight 1000 meters runners-up is Omkar Vadam from MIT SOE. single scull lightweight 1000 meters winner is COEP Pune Suraj Kothawale. The men's double scull lightweight 1000 meters runners-up team is COEP Nishant Patil and Abhay Khade. The men's double scull lightweight 1000 meter race winning teams is a tie. So the first one is MIT WPU, Harsh Sanghvi and Sahil Ranawade. The rowing mixed 500 into 4 runners-up team is COEP Pune. Rowing winners 500 into 4 runners-up team is COEP Pune. Vallabh Kulkarni, Rajveer Magdam, Sakshi Pawar and Aditi Warankar. The lightweight mixed 500 into 4 winners are Jairaj Deshmukh, Shivam Borde, Anamika Arya and Arya Tupe from MIT SOE. The men's double scull lightweight 1000 meters is winners are MIT WPU and COEP Pune, Harsh Sanghvi, Sahil Ranawade, Raj Kamble and Sangram Nikam. The 500 into 4 rowing mixed winners are MIT WPU, Vedant Kale, Pranav Walvekar, Swarangi Patil and Kalyani Desare. The runners-up team is Vallabh Kulkarni, Rajveer Magdam, Sakshi Pawar, Aditi Warankar from COEP Pune. The women's single scull 500 meters runners-up is Rishika Dhak from COEP Pune. The women's single scull 500 meters winner is Fatima Rajkotwala from MIT WPU. The women's double scull 500 meters runners-up is Ankita Mutta and Shruti Ahed from MIT WPU. The women's double scull 500 meters winners are from MIT SOE, Vaidehi Yogesh Devi and Harshita Kiran Patil. the rowing mix 2000 into 2 runners-up winner is Omkar Chachakkar. Rowing mix 2000 into 2 winner is Uday Borade. Uday Borade and Nehalika Jethwani from MIT WPU.
To all the present audience, the most awaited time of the evening, the General Championship Trophy. The prize goes to MIT World Peace University, Pune. MIT WPU stands at 116 points, followed by VIT 44 points. Third place goes to Cummins 40 points. Fourth place goes to AIT 18 points. Give it up for all the captains of MIT World Peace University.
MIT WPU staff and my fellow players and friends. I, Kunal Diwan, am honored to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of all the organizers of MIT WPU Summit 21. On completion of 15 years of Summit, it is a great privilege and honor for us to have such esteemed personalities with us for this event. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our guests for today, Honorable Padma Bhushan Chandrakant Borde sir, Honorable Hind Kesari Rohit Patel sir. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for all the special invitees who were kind enough to grace us with their presence and knowledge. I express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Sports Minister Shri Sunil Kedar sir for showing us constant support and affiliation. I am also highly obliged to the officials from Mr. Lalit Nahata from PDBA, Mr. Pradeep Pardesi sir from PDFA, Mr. Imtiaz Dafedar sir from PDCA, Mr. Ejaz Sheikh from PDVA, Mr. Yogin Kumar Asher for baseball, Mr. Yogesh Yadav from PDKA, who made sure that fair play was ensured throughout the event. I would especially like to thank MIT ADT University, Agashe College, Metro City Sports and Balewadi Sports Complex for providing us sports infrastructure for different games. I'm also grateful to all participating colleges, their coaches and staff, and the team themselves. Without their participation and desire for victory, this event would not have reached the hallmark that it has. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to Revered Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad sir for providing us with his guidance and direction at every stage of this event. We are grateful to Honorable Rahul Karad sir for giving us this opportunity to conduct this event and for his endearing support throughout the years. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. R.M. Chitnis, sir, all the Pro Vice Chancellors, Dean Khandekar, sir, and Registrar Prashant Dave, sir. And last but not the least, Professor P.G. Dhanve, sir, without whom hosting MIT WPU Summit 21 would have been impossible. We thank you for your everlasting guidance. Heartfelt gratitude to the entire Gymkhana faculty, including Vilas Kathure sir, Sachin Shinde sir, Rohit Bagode sir, Nilesh Satpute sir, Nikhil Vanve sir, and the entire Gymkhana community. With the COVID precedents, I would like to thank Vishwaraj Hospital and Dr. Ankush for providing us with medical kits and assistance, and also Chandralok Canteen for providing us with food and refreshments throughout the event. I would also like to thank Devrukar brothers for their unique trophies. Now, I would like to thank all the organizers, committee members, and volunteers without whom it would have been impossible to manage such a huge event and pull it off with such grandeur. I would also like to thank all the staff here at MIT WPU for being so supportive and understanding and for motivating us constantly throughout the event. I would also like to thank the various media, press, and TV channels that have supported us. Special thanks to the design team of the students for their valuable inputs. Finally, a big thank you to everyone who has contributed to MIT WPU Summit 21 in any way, no matter how big or how small. The success of this event is truly because of you all. Thank you. I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much everyone for being part of this wonderful event.